Hey y'all, well this is unusual to be doing an unboxing with this guy here, but I'm doing a promo right now with Stitch Fix that any new Stitch Fix customer, whether it's men's or women's, who signs up through November 23rd is going to get an autographed copy of my first book, The Fringe Hours, Making Time for You, for free. I'm going to be sending those out right from my dining room. I'm going to personalize all of them, so these would be great Christmas presents or just a great gift to yourself during this busy season. So Matthew and I both ordered Stitch Fix boxes that we just got.
Am I supposed to do that?
Yeah, do that too. And so we have not opened these. We don't know what's inside, and we thought it might be fun to do this
like
together.
We opened it, though.
Well, I mean,
I
just cut them open.
Yeah,
so
I just don't want them to think that we're lying.
No, well, they'll know when they see it.
Okay.
So Stitch Fix is a styling service for men and women. They do all price points. You can put your budget in. And I did a survey on Instagram, and 67% of my Instagram followers had never tried Stitch Fix before for themselves. 97% of their spouses had never tried it. And this free offer is good for you or your spouses. Matthew's tried
97%?
97%. I think a lot of people don't know that Stitch Fix has like a men's option.
Oh.
So I think going into the holidays where you've got lots of parties or you just want to have lots of nice pictures, it's a great time to try Stitch Fix. And they have just such great stuff, great personalized customer service. So I want to see what's in your box. You've only ordered a couple of Stitch Fixes before. So
yeah, this is like my second or third one.
I think maybe third. So every Stitch Fix box comes with a bag that you can send your stuff back in that's postage paid. They also have extras. That's what this little thing is for. Like you can order underwear and bras, and you can't order bras, socks, whatever. Okay, so show how it comes. It comes all nice and pretty. So this is the Stitch Fix men's. I'm so excited. Did you tell them that you wanted anything in particular?
No.
No, you just got a box. Just some fall staples. I like this. I would like this on you. I would like you to wear other colors besides black, though, let's be honest.
Right, but
this feels really comfy.
No, it does. No, it's everything here. Everything that they send usually is like great quality. That's.
I think you should keep that.
Let me see.
Okay, keep going.
All right. She's put me on a time limit.
I said I don't want this to be forever.
She doesn't want me to.
And I want to see what's in the box.
So this looks like the same one, though, doesn't it?
No, it totally doesn't. This is like blue. This is gray. I don't like how this feels quite as much. This is thinner. Feels like more thermal wear, and this is blue. Can you see the difference? Gray, blue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. What else do they have in there? This.
Well, that's kind of fun.
I like that.
It's kind of like in
it's
between
like
a coat and
it says it's
shirt.
a Marley jacket. Is what it's called.
Oh, but it's buttoned down like a shirt.
Material. Is it snaps? No, it snaps.
Yeah, I said it's buttoned down.
Is that called don't they have to be real buttons to be buttoned down?
Okay.
I think it's snapped down.
I should just be quiet. Well, and then I got an Adidas sweatshirt.
That's not Matthew at all.
Although I'm wearing Adidas pants, which
that's
is kind
true.
of random.
Well, I know that Stitch Fix men's, they just started carrying like workout apparel and stuff
mm-hmm.
for men, so I bet that's why they put this in here. But you with big logos isn't really your style.
And then a pair of pants, which look like almost like travel pants.
Yeah, they do. These are nice. They have a little bit of texture on them. I don't know if you can see.
And these are Adidas too.
These are nice. Okay, so let me tell you guys the price point on these. So in every one of these, they give you styling cards, which is nice. I know some people who actually keep these so that they can know how to dress themselves. And the price point on this stuff was all $39 for that crew shirt, $48. The highest price item was that Adidas pants. These pants are $79. So $39 to $79.
When you're buying like travel pants like this.
Yeah, like, these are like performance.
I kind of think they might be golf pants. Like, like.
No, they're not golf pants.
But feel how like.
Yeah, they're nice. These are nice. I'd wear these. I like that little bit of stretch. Okay, so there you go. And they do all styles, guys. So just because this was Matthew's box, this is not necessarily the kind of box that you would get, right? Like,
right. If you're like
jackets and shoes and nice stuff, whatever you want. I really think that if you've not tried Stitch Fix, the holidays is the time to do it. Okay, so here's my return bag. I have gotten, it might say the number. I've gotten more than 40 fixes. A lot of fixes. I love Stitch Fix. It doesn't say. Okay, so I asked for tops. They have great pants, they have great dresses, but I wanted some like holiday jewel tone color tops. Here's my little thing. Why are you laughing?
I'm nervous because
I mean, there's no doubt I'll like them. I mean,
I'm nervous because like you're gonna ask me, and I'm always like, you know.
The great thing about Stitch Fix too is that you can try it all on at home, which I really like, and then you just send back what you don't like. Oh, see, this is so pretty. Don't you think that's pretty?
Yeah, that's pretty.
Pretty.
I mean,
But see, the one thing about this for me is I don't like that you can see the bra straps through it. I know some people don't care, but that kind of always makes me feel uncomfortable. But I really like that color.
Doilies are in, I guess.
You need to stop. He doesn't like lace. He doesn't like the ruffles. He doesn't like anything.
It's not that I
Okay,
don't like
that
it.
would be really cute with a suit jacket. What do you think of that? That's a good color on me.
You know, that's a great color on you.
Ooh, now see, I told her I really wanted something hunter green.
That's like your color.
This is like satin. This would be really pretty for the holidays. It's got the
really
ties. This would be pretty too. This would be really cute on Christmas.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I love a good polka dot. That's really cute too. I mean, that's really cute.
No, I like that.
It has a little ruffle on the sleeve. I like also with Stitch Fix that you get things that you wouldn't necessarily find in the stores that like not everyone's wearing. I have a couple things from Loft that there's several of us at the office that have the same thing.
Oh, really?
So it's kind of nice having stuff that other people don't have. You know what? I have a shirt just like this from Stitch Fix from last year that was blue that I have basically worn it out. Super comfy. You can dress it up, dress it down. This is hunter green. I don't know if that's showing, what do they call this? Dolman. Yeah, Dolman top. So lots of good options there for me. Yep. Okay, so there you go. Stitch Fix. There are 2 boxes. Let us know in the comments what you think that we should keep. And seriously, click on that link because this offer of trying Stitch Fix and getting my autograph book for free is only available through my site. You're not going to find it anywhere else. I should also mention Stitch Fix does have a $20 styling fee, but that $20 is applied to anything that you keep. So as long as you keep something, you're really not out any money. It's free shipping both ways. You'll get something in time for the holidays. They work really fast. Their stuff is really great. So definitely try this out. And if you have already tried Stitch Fix, leave your comments about how you love Stitch Fix and then maybe introduce your spouse to it since most of you don't have spouses getting Stitch Fix.
Mm-hmm. And they also have a kids option too.
They do have a kids option. However, the kids option, you can't get the free book. It's only the adult, so the women and men's, but you can tack your kids on as well and get clothes for them for the holidays or whatever, and you can do that right within your account. Okay, hope that helps. See you guys later. Thanks for joining us. Bye.